Hey, what's up guys, welcome back with Anfas Ahamed. Today we are going to unbox the latest iPhone 13. Guys, this is the phone, iPhone 13, that is 128GB Starlight color. They recently changed the naming of the colors from white and silver to Starlight, and you can get this phone from space gray or white, this is the one, or light color blue. And if you're asking a question like if you want to upgrade from iPhone 12 series, I will say it's not a good option to upgrade, because you should upgrade a phone after 2 or 3 years, otherwise it will be in vain and it will cost you more than the value. Earlier they were wrapping with a polythene, and now they have given an easy way to pick up the phone and 2 sliders here. And guys, now we will unbox this. It's an easy process, otherwise we want a knife or something to unbox, and here we can unbox. It's sliding very nicely. And guys, now we will take out the phone. This is the phone. Other than the phone, they are giving the usual USB-C to lightning cable, and the paper works with the Apple sticker. Now we will take off this paper, and it's very nice and it's lightweight, other than my iPhone 11 that I'm shooting with the phone. And it has a diagonal camera system in the designs, and they have changed the side of the SIM tray to the left side, and they have slide down the volume buttons and the power button, and the battery life has improved by 2 hours other than the iPhone 12 model. And they have reduced the size of the upper bezels. And now we'll turn on the phone. It's on. It says the new style of opening the phone, that is by welcoming by hello. And this is the unboxing of iPhone 13, and you can process the setup as usual by selecting your language, your country, and connecting your Wi-Fi and so on. That's all for this video. Thank you guys. Please subscribe, like and share. We'll see you in a new video. Thank you. Bye. Peace.